Good morning! Oh my god, I'm tired, but it's like 9:30 and I really should leave this bed, but I don't wanna. But it's a day off today. So sweet. Swedish national holiday, or our nation day, or what you want to call it. So, it will be a party, maybe somewhere, I don't know. Maybe we'll barbecue today as well. I think we're gonna start in the kitchen today, in the new office. So, let's cue intro and see what happens today. Ready? I do know that I need a haircut. Just so you know that I know that you know that I know that we need to cut this thing. Can see what we can do of it. So yeah, I do know I need a haircut, and I probably need to shave a bit as well. But I don't feel like it today, so I won't do it. Looking a bit more stylish now. But still need a haircut, still need a shave. It's time for that. So today's mission is kitchen in there, some electricity work, and getting a Wi-Fi in there as well. My Wi-Fi is ishy. It does connect. It shows good signal quality, but the good throughput is really crappy. So I will go in like an hour and buy some Cat 6 cable, and then I will drag a cable again. I thought that those days were done, but so I will basically we will move a connection from the main house into new offices later. But for now, I have a Cat 6 cable from the main house into our house, and I will just add an connection in my layer switch there and put just a stupid little access point or bridge or whatever. So it will be the same network as they have there inside, with just a different SSID. So a quick dirty fix, cable like $20 or something like that, depending on how long. I think we'll need 20 meters to be sure. I think we will manage with 15, but 20 then we have extra. So that is the mission, and we need to grocery shop as well, because we haven't done that for ages, and we have a lot of return cans. So yeah, you want to see the Wi-Fi password? Woo. Now you know. I will switch it, so don't even try if you find where I live. So yeah, maybe looking at some new cameras as well. We'll go around in the electronic shop. And the forums. You need to check the forums every day. And yeah, day 31 is uploaded, so you should see that now. It should have been uploaded for a few hours, 4.5 hours or something like that. Because I know how to schedule releases in YouTube or videos. So yeah, see when I am pulling a cable through some walls and some nasty channels, because we need to get some Wi-Fi in there for access. So cheerios. Wi-Fi is up. You can see the bars. Connected. Oh, no password yet, but yeah. Test successful. Just added some few more users to the scanning here. So if you hit scan to email, and then scan to then we have some more users. So awesome. And the printer doesn't have Wi-Fi, so we use a bridge here. So cable into printer, bridge from Wi-Fi to the network. So awesome. Sweet. Office up running. Dusty! to IKEA. I don't know why. Evil. So, we are at IKEA. We have to celebrate the Swedish National Day. So, why not to the IKEA? Awesome. I don't know, we're gonna have to buy some stuff for the kitchen. So, yeah, short trip. Good value for the money, I hope. So yeah, I thought you would like an update on the offices. It is up and running in here. This one is up. The electricity in this area is now up and configured. Come on, focus. Yep. All the outlets in here is okay. All the outlets there is okay. Wi-Fi, we had to improvise a bit. So currently we are going up in the roof, and then over into my area and connected to my network. So we just bridged it here in the old router. So we are using my DHCP and my network and everything like that. And then we bridged it over here because this printer does not have Wi-Fi in it. So I used my other one and bridged it. This one has Wi-Fi, so it's gonna be connected to the Wi-Fi, and that's awesome. And what we needed to go to IKEA for was this one. So cheap as hell, like 2.99 Swedish crowns, like 30 bucks. And then this water protective for the dishwasher and the refrigerator gonna be here. So here's some cabinets up here, and then some boxes and some drawers that can go in there, and then some plumbing left, and then some yeah, maybe some more paint or something, I don't know. And even more electricity done, so the outlet for the kitchen appliances should be ready as well. So that's good. That's awesome. So yeah, that's an office update. We'll see what we can do now. Frida left for work a while ago, so it's me and the dogs home. And as you can see, close to the new office, it's just next door. Hello, little darlings and big darling. An old darling. I think I will be streaming some TV show. I've heard good things about Attack on the Titan, an anime series. I'm really interested in that. I'm gonna look if I can find it on some of my streaming services. Maybe Netflix has it, or VSat Play, or some other channel or streaming service, or maybe someone had put it on YouTube or something like that. Who knows? So I will be seeing if I can find that anywhere, and then I just will take some relax, maybe take a shower, maybe shave, because I should shave. Oh, something is itching over there. Yeah, it's itching. Itching. You wanna help? Should I itch for you? Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, cutie pie. Yes. Itching. You're hot? Are you hot? She's warm as heck. You should have seen this one before. I don't know if he shows it now as well. It was a little bit of swollen close to this eye. Here, yeah, I think it's still a little bit swollen, but nothing like it was before. We don't know if it was a bumblebee or something like that poked him, burned him, or what to say. So yeah, me, TV, entertaining ourselves, and should begin editing this day as well. As you know, it's been kind of slow, because you have seen. It was like a big, huge leap between IKEA and here. And I had some chips to my entertainment as well. Sorry for that, but not every day can be action-packed. Another good thing is that today the Swedish flag has been up almost all day. As you can see, it's not windy outside, but that's good because it's our national holiday, as you know, and we should celebrate that. Bam, lighting also. So yeah, I will start editing day, what is it? Day 30, 32 maybe? Or is it 31? I think it is 32. Yeah, 32. Good thing is I can now use the multifunction printer that is in that area from here, as it's in on my network. I will add my layer 3 router or my layer 3 switch and poke it into a separate VLAN and filter it besides. But at the moment it was most simplest to just add it on the same network, just for funsies. Maybe I will do some more network configuration tomorrow. So yeah, I will try to find Attack on the Titans, or yeah, Attack on the Titans anime series, and watch it, and then I will poke back in and say what I think about it. So see you in a minute, or a few seconds for you. Cheerios. 4 episodes in Attack on the Titans, as you can see. Looks really good. Good story. Yeah. Waiting for some more action. It's mostly been background, no particular fighting yet, but I think it will come. Same time I've been watching, I have also been looking at some hotels for the vacation, and I think I found a good looking one. Sheraton Rhodes Resort. It got 5 stars. That's awesome. It got 4.5 out of 5 when the visitors reviews it, and it looks awesome. Good large area, many pools. Looks like a 5-star hotel should. The staff has been getting a real good review. A little on the outskirts or far away from the real town, but still looks okay, and I think it will persuade Frida that it is a good choice. Looks like all 401 hotel rooms are air conditioned, 32-inch flat screen, Wi-Fi, so it ticks off everything. But I don't like this. Wi-Fi is, but a fee is extra that I don't like. But then again, hopefully it is just a small fee, free parking, breakfast. What more can we choose from? Only breakfast and king size bed. King size bed, and then they say 2 single beds. Well, that's not a king size bed. Deluxe room, junior suite. Maybe I should order a suite or. Found a hotel we stayed at last time we was in Rhodos. It was this Eden Rock Resort. Quite nice as well, but they had salt water in the pool, and that was a shock for me, at least, when I jumped in. They have 381 air-conditioned hotel rooms. That was also amazing good. It's like 5,000 crowns cheaper. So I don't know, and that's really close to Rhodos, the old city. Uh, but the stuff there was kind of meh. But then again, I haven't lived or stayed at the other hotel, so I don't know. The good part with this one, the Eden Rock Resort, was that we did never have to fight over the sunbathing chairs or sun chairs. They were always free and always good, so I don't know. And I do know that the Wi-Fi there is free. Yeah, decision. Oh well, we're gonna look at it tomorrow and see what flight and what days we're gonna go. But no, somewhere in the end of July, because then I have vacation. These guys are kind of tired, sleepy. So I think I will end now. Just add this to the export or to the clip. I have it here. You can see everything lined up and everything. So it's just add this one, and I think this clip right here, right there. When I take off my cap. I found the cap in my brother's car and I put it on like a joke. And Frida had me to take it off before we went into IKEA because she was embarrassed. Yeah, so actually I started talking to camera a little bit too early then, so it cut off. So I told you I had to take it off just because she thought I looked ridiculous. Oh well, day 32. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.